Welcome guys, welcome to How To Doer. Today we're gonna talk about this COFE Wi-Fi internet SIM enabled, SIM compatible Wi-Fi router, that how we can easily set up this for first time and use this for the first time. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like these products. So you can check out, this is the main router. If you check it out, and it has few options on this side. If you check out over here, few options are over here. This is for power option, so you have to give power over here and put this on the mobile phone charger USB port. And this is for Ethernet. You can connect it via this to your laptop or computer or your Wi-Fi CCTV cameras. Now we have to insert the SIM for first of all, and need a SIM card, and insert it over here and push it inside until it gives a click, and after that your SIM is ready to use. Now you have to power it up, and it's very easy. You have to put this on the power option. I have put that on power option, and after that you have to insert this cable over here. So that's the way how you can first time boot it using your powers. And after few seconds or few time, you can check out over here, there it will start giving you few indications or few indicator. From there you can check out, this one is the red indicator, that means it powered up, and it is when it starts showing you the blue indicator, that means your router is ready to use. So you can check it out, it's working or not. Oh, it's powered up. Does it showing you? No, till now it's not booted up. And if you want to reset this, if you forgot the password or anything, you have to click on this, and you have to put a pin inside of it, and you can reset from over here. Red light is blinking over here, that means it's ready to it's on, and the blue light is blinking, that means it's ready to use. Now what we have to do, I am going to put this router over here, and after that we have to do is that we have to go to the Wi-Fi section of our mobile phone, go over there and switch on the Wi-Fi and long press on that, and after that you will see the COFE Wi-Fi router option over here, and from that you have to choose that I don't know that is called COFE or coffee anything like this. You have to choose that one, and when it asks you about the password, the Wi-Fi password automatically is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can check out on the package that you get a user guide along with this device on this box. You can check it out from over there. Now if you want to change the Wi-Fi password, or you want to change the Wi-Fi name that is showing you COFE something like this, then you can check out our videos, and keep in mind that our videos are given in the description below and I button. And if you want to buy this product, link is given in the description below. It supports 4G 5G 2G all SIM cards, but keep in mind that it's just a 4G device. As you can check out over here, it's shown just a 4G device. Till now it's a 4G, and when it's a 5G is launched, I'm gonna share a video with you. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more unboxing or tutorial videos like this. Because keep learning how to do it.